Hello stargazers. Today, we're taking a look at the Celestron PowerSeeker 127EQ telescope, the perfect entry-level telescope for beginners. With its 127mm aperture, this telescope offers amazing light-gathering ability, allowing you to see planets, the moon's craters, distant stars, the Orion Nebula, and more. With its manual German Equatorial mount, navigating the sky is a breeze. The slow-motion altitude rod allows for smooth and accurate tracking of celestial objects as they appear to drift across the night sky. Not only is the PowerSeeker 127EQ powerful, it's also compact, lightweight, and portable, making it the ideal telescope for adults and kids to use together. Plus, with multiple accessories including two quality eyepieces and a 3x Barlow lens, you'll have everything you need to start exploring the universe. And as if that wasn't enough, your purchase includes a free download of a top-rated astronomy software program. Buy with confidence from Celestron, a leading telescope brand in California since 1960, with a 2-year US warranty and unlimited support from our team of US-based experts. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below and start your astronomical adventure with the Celestron PowerSeeker 127EQ telescope today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting reviews and recommendations. Happy stargazing!